What is up, folks? Good to see you here. Another beautiful day at Atomic Sand. The reclamation is coming along beautifully. These guys have been moving some material this week. Yeah, man, we get some of it. This is a sawdust material that we brought in years ago and let it be composting. So we top dressed the very top part, obviously. And now we're gonna plant that with some seed, get a nice grass established. Just got a call that a dozer has blown a coolant line and is overheating, so let's go check that out. Gotta love Fridays. That's our redneck water truck. I don't know how much he's got in the bed. I see every 50 feet or so we got a big slosh out, so it's working, kind of. Okay, at least I thought they said dozer on the radio. What's up? Why you tearing stuff up on Friday, Jermaine?
I don't know. What up, you two?
Good to see you, dude.
Good to see you.
Hey,
man.
how are you? I'm Ryan.
I'm with you.
William, good to meet you.
That's the big boss man right there.
Shoot, where? Right there?
Right there.
Not here, man. Not here. I just work here, man. What we done blowed up?
Well, it's been a couple of weeks now that I had called Eric and told him about the leak one day. And he ordered some hoses, but now it's getting out water. It's completely busted.
I got
You see where it's done leaked out down now?
Yeah.
The hoses he ordered, they sent the wrong ones to him.
Do you know if we got the right ones or not?
No,
No,
we
sir.
don't got the right ones yet.
I just went in there and looked at the box and stuff, see that they sent the right one.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, we talked to Aaron, so Aaron said he was on the way over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll holler there and then, and we'll get it fixed up. The AC broke too, I hear. Man, shoot, we can't have that. It's getting hot.
You got that right.
So what we're gonna look at, fellas, is trading this 980 in on a 960 or a 970, a smaller loader.
Yes, sir.
But a newer one, because this one does have a new engine in it. However, the frame and all has got about what, 13,000 hours on it.
Almost
Yeah.
14,000.
Yeah, so we've got our use out of her, but I think it may be time to go ahead and trade her in.
Yeah, I think you got a good idea with that, Ryan.
Alrighty, since the 980 is down with that coolant line, we gotta use our backup 972. However, the batteries are shot, so let's go get some new batteries because we can't load any trucks until we do. I sure appreciate you, buddy. Yes, sir. Have a good rest of your day now. All right, you too. I can go load some sand. And look who we pulled up beside the red light. Let's roll call on him. Oh, Aaron's headed to Atomic too. He's going to work on that hose for me. Oh, crazy joker pulls up beside me at the red light picking his nose. Oh, man. All right, let's hurry up and get on back so we can load some sand up. Got you a can of ether?
Yep, right here on the steps. I'm gonna prime it up and everything once we. Yeah, I couldn't get that one to. Let's see.
That was slipping.
Yeah, I had to put that on there and hold it to get it loose. She'll tighten down though. Oh yeah.
Go with that right there. Now this was it. Is it a crossways?
It goes kind of. It's like that.
Oh, it's one of the special ones.
Yeah, and it don't come all the way out. This doesn't come off. So.
Looks good to me, boss.
Good.
All right, let's feed her some ether. See what she'll do. You got power, you say?
Yep.
I hope so.
Filling up his
That's
fuel.
$350 worth of batteries. We ought to have power. Batteries ain't cheap, bro. Ain't cheap at all.
Nothing is.
If you want me to, Garrett, I'll hit her with the ether while you.
Okay. It might go on with it.
Yeah, let's try it and see. I'd rather not use either if we don't have to.
I always just,
Or we can.
I always do that.
Oh yeah, we're in business, baby. Glog, 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 glog. Love it.
I love the power.
Oh yeah, she's got it.
They don't make them like that.
No, they don't make them like they used to. All right, let's go load some sand. Hey, what's taking so long? I got my loader fixed, up and running. Y'all over here.
You got a head start.
I did have a little bit of head start. Hopefully I got it on film. Me and him red lighted together.
Yes, sir.
I had to roll coal on him a little bit. Show him what that 250 could do.
That's a new one?
Yep, that's a good one. And you need one more thing of water, right?
Yeah, get another one.
Okay.
Might need another new one too.
All right.
Did you have another hose there, or did you just use some?
I just fixed it.
You just fixed it?
Yeah.
Let me go around here and see this bubble.
Put some tape on
Let me see this bubble gum and duct tape and clothes hanger.
Can't even tell, can you?
Can't even tell. That's a custom job right there, buddy. Hey, we're gonna have 2 loaders at work. We gotta get your AC fixed though, William. It's getting hot, dude.
Yes, sir.
Getting hot. Back in business. Hey, is green Kool-Aid supposed to be pouring out this side over here where this pipe is?
Yeah, straw so you can drink.
You can't get rid of me that easy. Well, we got both of the loaders back up and running. I went to Lowe's and grabbed some things, and now Mr. Ivan's trying to clean up our wood yard. So right here at this specific spot, we have a wood recycling and a concrete recycling permit, and we're just trying to get that all straightened up. And Ivan would say they found a little wet spot right here, so we're putting some chips that local tree grinder company brought. And I'm gonna head up to the top and check on things and let y'all ride with Mr. Ivan for a little bit. A good weekend. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Well, I'll be danged. I just rode back here to check our swarm trap before pulling out the gate, and I don't know if this is a scout checking out the interceptor swarm trap for the first time or what, but there was no other bees. And then this one dude shows up. How about that? I love me some springtime. There you go, going in there, buddy. It's nice, it's cozy. Ready for y'all to move into. All right, I'll keep you guys posted on what happens on the next visit, but I I like what I'm seeing. So it's 6 o'clock. Just got a shower, laid down for a second, and then the fire marshal called me and said, hey, your landfill's not on fire, is it? I said, well, I hope not. He said, well, we just got a call, a lot of smoke coming up from the area, so let's go see what we got. But I'll be honest with you, I really hope it's not, because that's the last thing that I need today. Hey Bubba, hey, thankfully it's not us, but it's definitely smoky, but it's more west down I-20. But anyway, holler if you need my help. I'll do anything I can for you, Bubba.
All right, brother. Thank you.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
You know, I don't ever want anything to be on fire, but I don't think I've ever been more relieved about a phone call than that one. Because that is the absolute last thing I needed today, was come up here after 10, 12, 14 hours, whatever I've been working, and fight a fire. So I'm going back home, and now I'll see y'all on the next video.